Hello friends, welcome back to Jersey Gardening. Today is September 17th and it is this time of the year when we are bringing some of our plants indoors to save them for winter. We need to plant two things. First thing to do is decide which plants you are going to bring indoors. Bring the plants indoors when the nighttime temperature drops below 50 Fahrenheit consistently to protect them from frost damage. Walk around your garden and decide which plants you are going to bring indoors. Then make some room inside your house where you can put them and they can get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight during winter time. Next thing to do is grooming the plants. Inspect the plants for any insects or any fungus. Make sure that you look the bottom side of the leaf also. Most of the time the insects can hide underneath the leaves. Then remove any flower heads or any dead leaves before bringing them indoors. Next you can spray all the leaves with some organic insecticide. I'm using only soap solution. I'm spraying all the leaves. After spraying them with some soap solution, wait for 5 minutes and give all the plants a good shower. After giving the plants a good shower, let the water dry out and top the soil with some stones or pebbles. The stones will serve two purposes. Number one, it's for decoration, and number two, since the soil is covered with the stones, it will not form any dust inside your house. Make sure that you wash the stones before you bring them indoors.